Hola mis que tal, soy Cielo Fe, bienvenido a mi canal. So with this video, I have gotten a lot of questions about how I'm able to shower with my hair and make sure that it's not reverting, at least with the edges. So this is just going to be a really quick video of how I prepare my hair before I jump in the shower to make sure that when I pop out, my hair is still hasn't reverted. So I am wearing a weave, however my edges are out, so these rules still kind of apply. Only difference is that I actually like to wrap my natural hair, but because I have so much hair in my head right now, what I do is just put it in a ponytail like so, and I'll just go ahead and put it in a bun just to make it easier once I show you guys the next couple steps. Then what I do is take a satin scarf, just a small square one. I'll go ahead and fold it sideways, making it two triangles, or making it one triangle I should say. And then I'll go ahead and just, I'm not explain it, but you know, make it into like a band. And then I'll go ahead and put it right on my edges in the very tippy top of my forehead. I make sure to tie it pretty tight because I want to make sure that no air, nothing, no humidity or anything is getting in there. And if you really want to be on the safe side, you can get some cotton, like your cotton leggings or something, and just wrap that around the edges too. And if you want to be super duper uber safe, you just do this again with another scarf on top just to make sure that you're not going to get it to revert. Then what I do is take this bonnet. This bonnet actually has like a drawstring, so you can make it as tight as you want. So I'll just put that over. Make sure to cover up the scarf. And I'll just keep pulling the drawstring and then tie it to be as tight as possible. Then I'll hop in the shower. When I hop out, I usually take like a 10 to 15 minute shower. I think so, right? I hope so. And then when I get out, just go ahead, take off my bonnet, take off my scarf. Again, you could use some cotton leggings or something, or just some cotton in general, or just double up on your scarf if you want to be extra safe. And then you can actually put your hair in a ponytail. I just think that wrapping will really make sure that your hair doesn't get reverted with the humidity, but whatever is easier for you. And then when you're finished and you let out your hair, you should be good to go without having to touch it up really with any heat. If you do need to touch it up though, like the edges or something, I would suggest you don't use heat control. I suggest you don't use the heating tool. Instead, just use a little bit of edge control. I just got some edge control in the mail yesterday, which I'll talk about in the next video that I'm going to film. But in the meantime, in between time, I have been using the Mielle Organics Rosemary Mint Edge Control. I feel like it's decent. It's not going to be the best edge control ever, but I feel like it's just a little bit healthier for the hair than some of the other edge controls that I've tried. But if you really want to lay your edges down, like you have an event or something, you want them to look really nice, I love using the Got To Be Glued edge control. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Feel free to leave any questions in the comment section below, and until the next video, assalamu alaikum.
I want to thank me for doing all this hard work.